Teka. Yan. It worked!
1 hour of waiting and that's it. Sinira mo lang yung laruan, no?
Dude, you want to see more amazing stuff other than your mini electric fan looking thing? Doohickey.
We have news from students of Philippine Science High School. I've heard they're making very interesting science stuff out there. Ayla, take it away.
With the theme Science and Technology, Our Life, Our Future, and this year tagged as the International Year of Chemistry, the Philippine Science High School main campus celebrated the 14th Youth, Math, Science and Technology Week 2011. Kuya Joseph, here's our trip mong kwento feature that you would definitely enjoy. This week-long event happened last January 24 to 28, 2011 at the Philippine Science High School main campus. First to fourth-year students displayed their research works, projects, and games. Kena was fortunate enough to be one of the first few to see the demos. There were games, competitions, and a handful of students and teachers' workshops ranging from soap making to microscope handling. Here's Miss Rosemary Butaran of the Philippine Science High School for more fun details.
This year, we're having our 14th Youth Math, Science and Technology Week. So we are exposing our students to our different schools from Metro Manila, showing our students' outputs such as their research posters and exhibits, project in physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics, and in computer science. Our main goal is actually for our school so that our students can present their outputs for all different subjects in science and mathematics. Part of our output also is to expose different schools in Metro Manila to our school. So we have what we call Interscholastic Science Congress. That's the third day. So this is for other students to see what PSI really is and yung output nila, such as science and technology research, math projects, biology, science, and all other science projects. So kasama na rin doon, we also asked them to participate in 2 competitions this year. So that's the Math Olympiad and Integrated Sciences Olympiad.
Classmates, I hope you enjoyed this feature. Kuya Joseph, I'll hook you up with PSI so you can do more amazing gizmos. I'm Ayla Sharina F. Magamit of the Florentino Torres High School, reporting for K-Now. Back to you guys!
Well, since my mini electric fan is so mini compared to the gadgets and gizmos invented by the students at Philippine Science High School, I'm gonna turn this off, put this down, give up, and give you guys 2 thumbs up. I'm Joseph Robles.
Classmates, if you want to send us videos of your school event or what have you, and you want to see it here on K-Now, just log on to the website below. I'm Lila.
Oh, wait! Don't change your channel because we have more coming up for you. I'm Reed Serrera.
You're tuned in to the show where the youth stands out loud and proud. This is
K-Now!
Check out the video.
Last November 11, 2010, the Lopez Memorial Museum's...
Wait. Sawa na lang ulit. Plus na.
Younger school age siblings.
Valentine's Day is celebrated